Hello guys and welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Today in this video we're going to talk about one of the best university for the BBA programs, which is nothing but the Christ University. To get into this one of the top rated university, you need to crack an entrance exam called CUET, which is nothing but the Christ University entrance test. It's an undergraduate test which you can give after your 12th board or as well as while pursuing your 12th standard. Now the main question arises in your mind is how to balance your 12th board along with the BBA preparations or the CUET preparations. Don't worry guys, I'm going to show you some of the best study materials which are hand designed by our expert mentors, through which you can balance your 12th board as well as your BBA or CUET entrance test preparation. So stay tuned in this video with me. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for the year 2023 and 2024, where you get live classes and classroom session. You get hard copies books as well as the ebooks. You get shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You get 10,000 plus questions to solve and you get a proper mentorship. And depending upon the college selection process, you'll also be prepared for the VAT, GD as well as the PI. Target and prepare for IPMAT, NPAT, Symbiosis entrance test, Christ University test and other various top institutes. If you are Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you are based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website manoeuvreedu.com for more information. Now let me take you straight to the official website of Manoeuvre Education and guide you how you can get the self-study materials for your Christ University preparation and score good. Alright, so this is the official website manoeuvreedu.com. Click on buy online, click on BBA entrance, scroll down. You get 4 different tabs for your self-study preparation. Click on the first tab, which is full course. Click on show package, scroll down. This is the package for your Christ University self-study program. Click on view details. You get 457 video lectures, 110 handouts. Click on syllabus. Your whole syllabus is covered. Same way if you want to prepare through books, go back, click on book study materials, click on show package. Here you get 2 different tabs of books. The first one is for the hard copies of the books. Click on view details. You get quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation and general studies. To order, simply click on add to cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days, pan India level. This set of the books is for the ebooks. If you don't want to prepare through the hard books, you can always prepare through ebooks. The content is going to be the same. Click on view details. Again you get quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and general studies. To order this set of books, click on add to cart and it will get activated immediately the moment you buy it. If you think you are weak in a particular section, you want to work on it, click on sectional course, click on show package, scroll down. You get 5 different packages for your sectional courses. The first one being English and verbal, second DIDSDC, third is GK and current affairs, the fourth one is quantitative aptitude and the fifth one is logical reasoning. Choose any of the particular program you think you are weak in and you want to work on it and start with your preparation. If you haven't started off with your preparation and you just want to start off, or you're just starting off with your preparation, the best suggestion would be start with your first mock test, because mock test give you a proper idea. It also gives you a proper analyzation how to start and how to proceed with the preparation. So click on mock test, click on show packages, click on view detail. You get 152 mock test over here. Start with your first mock test and plan your preparations ahead accordingly. So the Christ University is one of the most top rated as well as most reputed universities you will ever come across, and to get into it you really have to score good. So once again, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, do follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.